Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today it's how to hide photos or videos on your iPhone. I'll also show you how to hide and lock photos in the Notes app. Select the Photos app and go into the photo album that you want. If you want to select multiple photos or videos, press the select button at the top, then select the photos or videos that you want to hide. Once you've done that, then press the send icon at the bottom left hand corner. This then brings up a set of options, and you've got an option here called hide. If you click on that, it will then ask you if you definitely want to hide those 5 items. And you can already see that they've disappeared from the photo library. But if we scroll down in our albums, you can see that the hidden album is still there in the utilities, and if you click on it, you can still see those hidden photos. So what you need to do is you need to come out of here by pressing your home button, go into settings. If you scroll down and then select the photos, scroll down a bit further, and you've got this option here, hidden album. If you deselect that, that means that hidden album will now disappear. If we go back to photos and look at the albums, scroll to the bottom, and the hidden album has now disappeared. Now, unfortunately, if you go into third-party apps like WhatsApp and add photos from there, you can still see the hidden photos. So that is a bit of a slight bug, which hopefully they will fix soon. If you want to unhide your photos, go back to settings, reselect the hidden album so that is on, then go back to your albums, scroll all the way to the bottom, click on the hidden album, select your photos and videos that you want to unhide. Again, press the bottom left hand icon to send, and there's an option here called Unhide, so just select that. They are now unhidden and they should be back in your photo album. And there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fabulous. And now how to hide or lock photos so they really can't be found. This only works on photos, not videos. So go back onto your iPhone, select the Notes app, then select a new folder. You don't have to do this, but I'm just going to create a folder called Private Photos. Click on Save. Now select Private Photos. Click on the icon at the bottom right hand corner to create a new note. Just going to type in some text here. Now click on the camera icon. Choose photo or video from your library. Now I'm just going to select 3 photos that I want to hide permanently. Click on Add. This then adds those photos into the note. What you do then is you click on these 3 dots at the top of the note. Then select the lock icon. If you haven't already got a password, it will ask you to put in a password and then verify that password. So I'm just going to do that now. You only have to do this once. And then make sure that the Touch ID is slid to on if you've got Touch ID to unlock your phone. It's asking you for a hint here, then click on Done at the top. Then click on Done at the top. Now it's saying that the note is locked. Click on OK. Now if we go back to the photo album, those photos are still in there. If you truly want to keep those hidden, what you need to do is select those 3 photos that you've just added to your note and actually delete those. But I'm just going to hide them temporarily. So I'm going to hide those photos. Those have now disappeared. Now if we go back to the Notes app, select Private Photos folder and select the Private Photos note, you can see that it is actually locked and you cannot view it. The only way you can view it is to enter the password, or I'm just clicking my thumb on the home button to unlock the screen. And I tell you what, that definitely deserves a lovely cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.